Let's fry a Goan style prawns. Spicy, tangy, beautiful flavors. I already marinated. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. We are making today 15 prawns. The tiger prawns, cleaned, deveined, and cut it lengthwise from head to the tail. 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and rub and marinate. Rest for 15 minutes. A small size tamarind soaked in water, 15 red chilies onto a blender, a small piece ginger, 6 cloves of garlic rough cut, sliced onions half, cloves 6 pieces, cinnamon stick a very small piece, black peppercorn 20 pieces, cumin 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, sugar 1 teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, and the tamarind and water pulp together. Vinegar 3 tablespoons. Onto a blender, make a fine paste like this. Marinate the prawns. Make sure you use all the marination for 15 prawns. These are tiger prawns. They are big, but we need that marination. And rest for 30 minutes. Onto a hot skillet, drizzle some oil. Start grilling the tiger prawns. Drizzle some oil in between. Cook for 3 minutes. And flip it. And cook for 2 minutes. Don't overcook the prawns. That's a very important step for a juicy prawns. After cooking these prawns, the fragrance in this room is so good. The Goan style, Portuguese inspired prawns. It's just half now. Where's the other half? Already in my stomach because it's so good. Enjoy and eat. If you like this recipe, please try it and give me a support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye.